Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, a welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, a welcome back. So this week I decided to do a video on a little wedding season look, since it is technically wedding season, but there aren't that many weddings, but I know that there are still some weddings taking place, so I wanted to give you guys some ideas if you are having a wedding or if you are in a wedding, to use some super easy makeup looks to create a very nice but pretty look that pops out with just about any dress. So stay tuned.
I never needed luck, see my haters say what's up. Best part of waking up, like Folgers in your cup. Grinded everything I got, they gave up but I had no.
Okay, so you are going to want to make sure that that makeup is staying on. So you're going to want to put a very good base down. So you're going to want a very good primer. And I would use, out of my primers, the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This is a dewy primer. It's really sticky. It really holds your makeup on really good, and I just love this, and the smell of it is also so good. And you don't need very much. I just took a very little bit like that, and I just kind of rub it on my fingers, and then not a lot though, because it'll start to get really sticky on your fingers. And then I start rubbing it into my face, and it is like sticky on my face, but once I put my foundation on, it just like really sucks my foundation on there and the stickiness kind of goes away. So I feel like this primer works so good, and it also has like such a summery smell to it, and yeah, it just makes you so like happy to be in summer. Okay, so now that my primer is all on, I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX brow pencil, and I am going to go ahead and do my brows. I just kind of outline my brows, fill them in, and then also line the outsides with concealer. So I would just do that. If you do your brows, just do your normal routine for your brows. Okay, so now my brows are all filled in. I'm going to go ahead and take my Stay Naked Liquid Weightless Foundation from Urban Decay and my BH Cosmetics foundation brush, and I am just going to go ahead and apply this all over my face, just like I normally would. So now my foundation is all applied, and I am ready to start on my eyes. I am going to be using these two Juvia's Place palettes for this look because they both have really pretty bronzy colors and also really pretty shimmer colors that complement them very well. The first palette is the Warrior by Juvia's Place, and the second one is the Nomad by Juvia's Place. So to start out, I'm just going to take my M505 brush, which is a fluffy brush, and this shade right here in the palette, and I'm just going to apply this to my crease. Okay, so I have that shade in my crease, and now I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here, this kind of like dark brown but almost black shade. I think it has a little, no, I thought it might have a little tint of green, but it doesn't really look like it. It's kind of more brown blackish. And I'm going to take the same Morphe 505 brush, and I'm just going to put this in my outer corner right here. I'm just going to dab it into that outer corner to give that outer corner some depth and really darken it up right there and give it a more dramatic look. I'm just using a stippling motion to kind of place this shade right here. Okay, so now that I have that little bit darker shade placed, just to kind of give it some depth, I'm going to go ahead and take this really shimmery shade in the middle, and I'm going to apply it using my finger. So I'll just kind of get some, and it is so pigmented. I'm so excited to use this shade, and I'm going to apply this directly to my lid. Ooh, that's so pretty. And I'm just going to kind of use a tapping patting motion to place this and kind of blend it in with that dark color and the brown up above. Wow, that is so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush. It's just a fluffy brush. It doesn't have a number because it was in a set. But I'm just going to touch up the first color that we put in our crease and just kind of bring that back out a little bit. Okay, so now that I've touched up those shades, I'm going to take this little fluffier brush and dip into the same dark shade that we put on the outer corner here, and I'm just going to put this on my bottom waterline just to kind of smoke this look out a little bit. Now I'm just going to take this little flat brush and I'm going to dip right back into that sparkly shade that we put in our lid, and I'm also going to dab this in the corner because it's so pretty. And then also bring it down to meet that black underneath on my waterline. I'm also going to put this shade on my brow bone so that way that all kind of just like matches and goes together. Which that is so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Kylie Jenner Tanned and Gorgeous bronzer and I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face. And I tend to just do my cheekbones and then just my foreheads up here and my neck area down here. Okay, so now that I have my bronzer all put on, I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe concealer and my Tati Blendiful. And I am going to just go ahead and put my concealer on. I kind of switched back to this concealer because my Juvia's Place concealer got a little bit light for the summer. So I have been using this one in the summer and I've really been liking it for the summer. It's a lot lighter than the Juvia's Place one, but it still has that really good coverage. Okay, the concealer is all on and set. I'm going to go ahead and take my two favorite mascaras right now, the Benefit Roller Lash and the Ulta, this one, Bold Ambition. It is a volumizing and conditioning mascara. I use these together and it looks so good. It almost looks like I have fake eyelashes on, which I love. Like, do you guys see the difference? That's crazy what these two mascaras do together. I love it. And to finish off this look, I am going to go ahead and take the Tribe highlighter by Juvia's Place. This has been my go-to highlighter all summer. I absolutely love it. It is so gorgeous on the skin. And it just really gives me that glow that I just really love. Like, look at that. That is so pretty, you guys. And it's just like this every time. It's so pretty. It goes with so many looks and I love it. It's definitely one of my favorite highlighters that I've like ever had. And I put it on with my finger because it seems to just like work better than with the highlighter brush. I think I need a new highlighter brush, to be honest. Mine's kind of raggedy and I just think it doesn't work that well. but putting this on with my finger and just kind of tapping it out really works good. Okay, you guys, and that is this week's complete look. A very simple, fast, and easy wedding look that anybody can do, and it turns out so pretty, and it's just very glowing, and I feel like this could just go with a lot of different outfits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more content just like this every single day, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I will put it right here. And yeah, I will be back next week for you all with another video. I'll see you later. Bye.
Coming with the freshness. Open up for a tree. Never saw only sweet. Swish it, rinse and repeat. You wanna get like me? Big bars, mint cars lined up on the boulevard. In this beat, push hard. We might set off.